And then once you're up.
Woo! Get it, girl.
Uphill, why?
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Left, 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 left. Woo!
Boom, boom, boom. Hope he doesn't crash. I don't know if he crashed that.
You!
You're not gonna film me?
Which way?
Left, left, left. Jump.
Am I going the right way?
Yep. Left, 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 left.
Okay. Thank you.
Good job. You.
Yep. Good. 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 Good.
You.
Where?
Left, left, left. That's good. Righter. Oh my god. Almost just fell, dude.
Almost just fell into the trail.
Yes. Would you have helped me up?
What?
Would you have helped me up?
Oh! Yeah.
What?
I would.
Devin.
Yeah, so no one goes that way.
Yes.
Gosh, I heard so many people like, we'll go. I'm like,
I know. We just kept saying left. A lot of left. We actually just cheer left. That's our cheer word. Left.
everybody. Jacques?
You.
Yeah, Jacques! Yeah! Almost there, I know. Almost there, dude. Steep G out to a pedal! Pedal, pedal, pedal!
Woo.
Jacques right there, dude. He's right there.
Woo! Pedal, pedal, push, 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 push. Go, 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 go. Light kid. I've never seen him move so fast.
GoPro, start recording.
Be careful, there's a jump out. Be careful, there's a jump overturned. Go, Teresa!
Gosh.
Touch it again.
Daddy will take a picture.
Just breathe.
Dude, whole time. Red line, red line, red line. All right, good job.
Hey, how'd it go?
That was good. You're leading the charge. 2 of them. Dog eye focus. Looks pretty
Does he laugh? Does he laugh up?
That's not.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That sounded so good.
So good. I don't know what I'm seeing.
Go faster! Brad, go faster, damn it! Shit! That's all you got? Yeah! Woo! Send it!
Send it over the rock!
Send it over that flat rock! Send it over that flat rock! Send it! Bang!
Send it over the rock! The landing is fine! Hey, let's go, Teresa!
Dude, the look on her face is like, oh. Let's go.
Yo. Yeah, I think let's get it done. Can't believe it.
Runner! Stop!
Send it!
Exactly what you wanted to do. That was dope, dude. I wish I got that. And that is fast.
It wasn't as fast.
Dude, I got shit in my eyes. I can't see right now.
That's dangerous.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to go down that and not be able to see.
I got something in my eye as a spectator.
Runner up!
You!
Oh my god. Yeah, Colin! Woo! Oh my god!
That was the fastest one, for real.
You did that.
Oh yeah.
Good, because I didn't.
Ooh, yeah, buddy. Oh no. Yeah, Scott. Oh yeah, brother. You know what's up. Ow! Yeah! Woo!
This is great.
Gonna hit that shit.
Hell yeah.
Soft over there. Baby, soft.
What the hell was that beeping? I don't know.
Just banged my head into the tree, moving out of his way. What's he doing over here?
It's the beeline. That's the beeline, bro.
Shoot, no one told me that.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah! God, that was sick. Fuck yeah! Woo!
Nice.
Yeah, Tony.
Looking good, Tony.
That's it. Darfield, Black Cat, 6 feet.
Awesome. This truck's going up too, right?
Oh yeah! That's what I like to see, no crashing. That was close.
Get it! Yeah! Oh, you're right behind. Fuck out of the line.
That ain't the line, bro. It's up there.
Send it! Oh!
Yeah! Whoa!
Oh my gosh, Marcus, this is
I missed it, dang.
He just freaking whipped that thing out like a...
It goes, if everybody could give a round of a hand for Seth Buckner. Yeah! Woo! Thank you, Seth. Thank you, Seth.
I just gotta go get my truck.
Oh, is it the top?
Yeah.
He's the seat back.
Oh, hey everybody. So we had about 35 people sign up. I think 27 or 28 people showed up, and I think like 8 people finished. Yeah. We had people from El Paso, Houston. Yeah, they got their money's worth before they went back home, but they had a good time. It was awesome. No, those are some really awesome dudes from El Paso. But I just want to say thank you everybody for being a part of this. Cat Mountain is very dear to my heart. It's a big part of my life, and I've been out here building these trails for about 5 years now. So yeah, this place is badass. Yeah, boy. We got a piece of wood for you. Second place, Big Colin Alexander, baby. You might be able to guess where that came from. It's Cat Mountain Invitational. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Hinch, for being part of the team. But hey, man, Marcus, Joyner, baby. Yeah. He's been in the Texas scene for a long time. Awesome dude. Most handsome guy in the woods out here. Tony Antonacci. I think, did I say that right? Did I say that right?
Yes, sir.
$25 at the Peddler Bike Shop.
Let's hear it. Round of applause.
Awesome dude. Cooper Sellers. Y'all should have seen him down Black Cat. In first place, out of South Africa, and with Camp Eagle, awesome dude Jacques Van Wyck, baby. Yeah.
Congratulations, I knew I should have
He,
followed me that. Great job, all guys.
Good job, dude.
Scott Peel with Fox Bike, second place. Expert Open Men. Yeah. Can he have a piece of wood? He's going to get some wood. First place Expert Men. This guy's on the podium all the time. Donovan Miller is a really good rider. Strong BMX rider, strong mountain biker.
Oh, yeah.
He shreds it. He actually, this is his second Cat Mountain win in a row. So Donovan Miller, baby. Proline Cycling, Victory Racing. Yeah, boy. Tyler Green, getting wood, a painting. He is. And yeah, man, you've been awesome. You've been a great representation of the team. So thank you for everything that you do. Yeah. Open women first place. Can we get a photo? All right. We'll be back. All right.
Sick, dude. Dude, he just freaking whipped that thing out like it was nothing. Max did it. His hit like.
GoPro, tell me where you're at. Awesome.